Hi, my name is Arun, and today I'm going to talk about what happens to a put option when it expires out of the money while using the Degiro platform. Disclaimer, options are risky, and this video is only for learning and educational purposes. While selling puts, the general idea is to generate income either by taking premiums or by reducing the cost of the underlying. Yes, in simple terms, uh, while selling puts, if the underlying is in the money, the shares will be just put to you at expiry or when exercised. Here we have an example of Degiro, Deutsche Bank trade, which I've done. So what I've done is I've bought 3 contracts at a strike price of 790. At the time of the trade, at the entry, the trade was at around the Deutsche Bank share was around 850 plus, so it was way out of the money. So I sold 3 contracts at 0.14 cent per contract, which is 14 euros per contract. So I have done a trade for 3 contracts. In this case, the max loss in a worst case scenario is 790 times 3, and so that will be my max loss, and the max profit is limited to the premium which I have collected, which is like 14 times 3 in this case, minus the fees received. If you look here on the left hand side, this is the share price, how it has been in the last month till the expiration. So if you look here, my entry was on 25th. On 25th, the high was around 9, so I sold a way out of the money, my put options. Of course, by that it means I've got less premium, which I could have collected more premium if I would have sold, let's say, around 850 or 860. But I wanted to be secure because of my account size, so I sold way out of the money. So I sold 3 contracts at a strike price of 790 and collected, if you as you see here, 0.14 cents, uh, which is like 14 euros per contract. So on the right hand side, what you see is how the option price has been till the expiry. So my entry was here 0.14, as you see, and then at least it has been that till it reached 0 on the expiration date. If you Let's look at how my trade was. So on the 11th of February, let's say 8 days before the expiration, the Deutsche Bank, the 3 contracts which I've got at 0.114 was giving me a profit of already 82%. I could have closed it by then only by buying back these 3 contracts. But since it was way out of the money, so I wanted to let it expire. And this is the status, 92% profit. Uh, Basically, 92% of the premium collected on 17th, which was still 2 days before the date of expiry. Like I said, I could already buy it back if needed at such a stock at such a profit as well. Now let's look here. So this line, red line here, is a line. The Since there is no 790 here, so this is representing 790. So if the share price would have been above 790, I would have kept all the premium, which you can see here from the screen is the case. The share traded all the way above 790. If it would have fallen below this red line on the expiry date, then of course I need to take the assignment, or I could have closed by buying back uh, during the expiration date, before the expiration date, which is usually 12 in the afternoon on the last day of the expiry. Let's look at what this trade has costed. So my strike price has been 790, expirations 19th February, and I have been selling puts. I've sold 3 contracts at 0.14 cent, which is giving me in return of 42 euros. So I collected 42 euros, and of course I paid 75 cents each per contract as in fee. So in the end, I collected 39.75 euros from this trade. On the 19th, since the share price was way above 790, it has expired worthless. And then in the end, for me, the price I paid was zero. Yes. So to getting out of the trade was costing me zero in this case. If you look here in a different way, so the premium collected for this trade was 42 euros. Fee was 2 euros 25 cents. And then to come out of the trade, I paid 0 cents or 0 euros. And in the end, I kept 39.75 euros uh, as in profit out of this trade. Thank you. In case you have liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.